Ready for takeoff to Jamaica? Woo! Yes, y'all, we on the plane, about to board. Hey guys, we're in Jamaica. So yeah, say hi everybody. My dad, sisters, Asaya, Cece, my niece.
Welcome to Jamaica, man.
This is the marijuana field, you guys.
Into your left.
Wow, that's crazy. So I haven't been down here in like over 20 years. Cece right there.
Cece, that's your grandfather's house there, sir.
Your mommy died?
Yeah.
You're not there now, if we could have did this.
Yeah, y'all haven't been here like 20 years, so it's so different. Totally
so long,
different. Over 20 years, yeah.
So that's a whole different.
A whole different new place. Everything changed. I used to come down here for 2 months out the year, spend the summer. Yep, in the country life. Yeah, so now definitely coming more often, y'all. That was a long time. But yeah, I'll let you know when we get to somewhere, get to our destination. I will let you guys know. So you guys, we at the gas station, and at the gas station, we don't pump the gas, they pump the gas for you. So that's what we're doing now. Waiting, my sister's over there in that car with my aunt and my uncle, and we heading to the funeral home actually, and then after that we're going to Santa Cruz. This is Island Bamboo, you guys. That's how pretty it is.
You better look somewhere and see the car. I've been there.
It's so nice, and it rolls over like an arch.
This is the famous Island Bamboo. You get coconut for sale, you get juice.
The series called Island Bamboo.
Yeah.
So you guys, we got top price, and they playing music, so. The store, y'all, partner store. I might get demonetized because they are playing music, but this is top price. So we in here. I like this mirror. Yeah.
Any other mirrors you
I
have?
have a bigger one.
So what, 6?
6,000.
And that one?
8. Yeah, that one wider too.
It's a matching one.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, this one.
Yes, you guys. guys. So I'm here shopping because I am not at a resort. I'm at my mom's house in Jamaica. So, you know, we went out with the towners. We're not tourists today, okay? So we're just getting everything together. And let me go before I get demonetized.